Good morning, children. Today we will study about a new system which was devised by the British in order to rule the countryside or the rural areas. So this system was known as Mahalwari system. Let us see what is Mahalwari system. By the early 19th century, many of the company officials were convinced that the system of revenue had to be changed again. What were the revenue system followed by the Britishers in India had to be changed, so that how could revenue be fixed permanently at a time when the company needed more money to meet its expenses in administration and trade. Company needed more and more money, but how could they be able to collect more revenue or more taxes from the people? So what was the way they can increase the revenue demand of the company? So they had to change the system and they had to fix a permanent revenue system. So in the northwestern provinces of Bengal Presidency, most of this area is now in Uttar Pradesh region. So the northwestern provinces of Bengal Presidency, now in Uttar Pradesh region, an Englishman called Holt Mackenzie, he devised a new system which came to be effect in 1822. Okay, came to be forced in or effect in 1822. Holt Mackenzie. So he felt that the village was an important social institution in North Indian society and needed to be preserved. The village system existed. We know that the panchayat systems, now the Panchayati Raj system which we are in following in our country, this type of panchayat system existed, or the villages existed in the North Indian states. So that was very important part of the society also. So here he needed, so under his directions, like this Holt Mackenzie, the collectors went from village to village inspecting the land, how much areas, or measuring the fields and recording the customs and rights of different groups there. So the villages were very large. Collectors went and inspected and also measured the area of land, even agricultural land, etc. So that they also studied the customs and traditions, what the people followed there. So these customs and rights of different groups were studied by the collectors and they prepared a report. So estimated also the revenue, how much of the revenue of can be collected for each plot within a village was added to up to the calculate the revenue that each village was known as Mahal. And what was fixed here, they decided that each village had to pay the revenue to the Britishers or the company, not by the people. Okay, now village collectively had to pay the revenue to the company. So this was the revised periodically, not permanently fixed also. So the charge of collecting revenue and paying it to the company was given to the village headman, not individual families. Okay, not according to the size of the land every family has is holding, but the entire village is collectively want to pay the revenue to the company. So village was called Mahal. So that was the reason it was known as Mahalwari system. So the Mahal means here village headman is responsible for paying the revenue to the company. That means the village headman has to collect revenue from the people according to the size of the land from the farmers, etc. They have to pay a revenue or taxes to the village headman, and village headman is responsible to pay the revenue to the company. So this system came to be known as Mahalwari system. In the next class we will study about another system which was also followed by the Britishers in other parts of our country, that is the Monroe system.